So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of data on the table. And if you want to filter out the data, then you can easily do so by clicking on the field name right here. And here you can see filter option is here. And once you click on the filter option, you can go around and here you can see you got different filter options. But for the filter options, let's go to the A's area right here. So if you were to click on filter, now you can see that these are all of the options that you have right here. So here you can see that there's two data where it says age 19 and two data which does not have age 19. So if I were to go around, uncheck everything and check 19 out right here, press OK. Now what happens is that you only see the data with age 19 over here. Similarly, you can go around over here, click on the small arrow right here. And here you can see you can further filter out data right here. So the data is being filtered out right here and it is not being deleted. Similarly, if you don't want to see age 19, you can just go around, say select all, select it, and then over here, press select all, press OK. And there you go. The filter is not there anymore. Now you can go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, 45 and 55 only. And if you want to hide out the 19, and press OK, now you can see that this is what you have. And if you were to click on toggle filter, you can see that now filter is disabled, but if you were to click over here, then filter is enabled again. So that is how you can use out filters to filter out data inside of MS Access. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.